Welcome to my workstation. Here is my sewing machine. I do use a Senior Esteem too. What you need is a threaded bobbin, and like I showed you earlier, this is the thread that I use for when I make a blonde unit because it blends well. You don't want to see black thread on blonde hair. No. I'm going to show you how you set this up. So first things first, I'm going to thread my bobbin, and I like to have multiple threaded bobbins when I make a unit because I don't want to unthread the top needle and do all that extra when I can just replace the bobbin. So I'm going to go ahead and put it through this hole right here. Take it, put that on there, slide it to the right. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut on my sewing machine, And I'm gonna take the little gas pedal thingy. And then I'm just gonna let it start threading. I'm gonna go ahead and take off. We'll go ahead and cut the top part that you put through the hole. And then I'm gonna finish threading my bobbin. So here you guys go. So now that this is done threading, I'm gonna slide it to the left, take it off. This is a fully threaded bobbin right here. Now I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my bobbin holder. Click it, snap it, and then put it right in here in my compartment. And there. Now to thread my top needle, I'm gonna go ahead and put the thread on this little spindle thingy. And like with the Senior, there is steps how to thread the top, so you just follow the steps really. Right here. So now that my thread is in through the needle hole, take it, and I'm gonna take this knob on the right and pull it towards me, and then pull that bottom thread up, and that's how you successfully thread your sewing machine. Alright y'all, so another thing, the setup. I got my tension on 4 and my width on 5. And then my sewing thing is on zigzag. The sewing pattern, it will be on zigzag. My length is on 4. Thank you again for watching, and bye guys.